Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own bricks at home. Making your own bricks can be a rewarding project, and it starts with gathering the right materials. You will need basic components like clay, sand, and water. Additionally, a sturdy brick mold and a large container for mixing are essential. For extra durability, consider incorporating natural fibers such as straw into your mixture. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about mixing your brick ingredients to achieve the perfect consistency. A good starting point is to combine 3 parts clay with 2 parts sand in your mixing container. Begin adding water slowly, mixing continuously until the mixture becomes pliable. You are aiming for a consistency similar to thick dough, not overly wet or crumbly. Thorough mixing ensures your bricks will be strong and uniform. With your mixture ready, it's time for molding. Firmly press the clay and sand mixture into your brick mold, ensuring it fills all corners. Use a straight edge, like a piece of wood or a trowel, to level the top surface, creating a smooth finish. Gently invert the mold to release your newly formed brick. Place these wet bricks in a shaded, well-ventilated area to begin air drying for several days. The final, crucial step for strong, durable bricks is curing. Once your bricks are air-dried, stack them with small gaps between each one to allow for good air circulation. This curing process should last for at least 2 to 3 weeks. During this time, protect your bricks from rain and direct, intense sunlight. Properly cured bricks will be significantly stronger and ready for your home projects, lasting for many years.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.